Alright guys, so I've been on YouTube a lot trying to surf the net, trying to figure out why my car won't start. They call it a crank start, no start. It jumped in the car one morning, I wanted to start it up. It's really cold out. Just it sat there no more than, about 12, 13 hours. Anyways, I got in, tried to start it over. It did the whole just it's like a cough. You wanted to cough it up, but it wouldn't go. It wouldn't turn over. So I looked up everything online from the solenoid to the cam sensor to the alternator. Couldn't find anything. So did what they said. Started from the most obvious to the worst case, and I started with the battery to the fuses, and the stupidest thing, it was the a security feature. I noticed when I walked away, I couldn't. It was the my keyless remote. It was a 1999 Ford Explorer Sport, and I couldn't lock the car. It wouldn't do the beep beep. So it did it every now and then. So I went online and I remembered seeing this thing, and then I looked it up more, and the guy told me, he said, go roll up to the windows, lock the doors, and then wait 2 minutes, and then open the car door with my key, not the remote. Well, I couldn't open the key. I couldn't use the key to open my door because the lock was broken, so I had to go around. But I opened it with the button and unlocked it, and then I opened the door, and then I went in the car and I started it up, and shit you not, it started it up. So it wasn't condensation in the fuel lines. It wasn't the cam sensor. It wasn't none of that. So go ahead, save yourself some time and money, and check that security sensor out. It's probably the same on any make or model. Just give it a try. It'll make you feel kind of silly. So let me know what you guys think. See if it works for you. Talk to you later.